Welcome to the crypto section of the show, Beyond Bitcoin. This, I don't know if you read this story, but this is the first big public purchase of Ethereum instead of Bitcoin, or at least in conjunction with Bitcoin. This beauty app, Meitu, bought 22 million in Ethereum, which happens to be my crypto of choice. You're well aware, Willie Do. And I don't know about the reasoning for it. Maybe just a bet based on the fact that it has seen some recent rise. It has actually been accelerating a little bit faster than Bitcoin in recent days. Fujian-based beauty app Meitu, which is publicly listed in Hong Kong, said it has purchased 15,000 units of Ethereum on Sunday. The purchase is worth, or was worth at the time, 25.98 million. And ETH traded 4.28% higher at 1727.92. The company also bought some Bitcoin at the moment, but a little bit less, around 19 million worth at the same timing. And I think we have to kind of speculate as to why they distribute it this way. Maybe they're envisioning a higher price spike for Ethereum than Bitcoin, or maybe they're just hedging it. I don't really know the incentive to do such a thing, but of course, I don't know if we've talked about it on this show, but a lot of changes are potentially coming to Ethereum with the improvements, depending on who you ask. And part of it is this idea that Ethereum you would burn some of it and therefore limit the supply of it, which, as you know, scarcity, things like this.
Yeah.
But we're going to talk more about that, actually.
Oh, okay.
Because we're not done informing you.